Are you tired of spending hours on repetitive tasks? Let me introduce you to Claude AI and the Claude Chrome Extension, two powerful tools designed to transform your workflow and save you valuable time. First, let's get started by installing the Claude Chrome Extension. Open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Claude AI and hit Enter. Once you find the Claude Chrome Extension, click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to complete the installation. Now you'll see the Claude icon in the top right corner of your browser. Next, let's explore how to access Claude AI. Simply click on the Claude icon and a user-friendly interface will pop up. You're now ready to automate your tasks. For example, if you want to summarize an article, start by highlighting the text you want to condense. After highlighting, click the Claude icon again. Select the Summarize option from the menu that appears. In just a few seconds, Claude AI will provide you with a concise summary, saving you time and effort. But that's not all. You can also use Claude AI to draft emails. Start by clicking on the Claude icon and select Draft Email. A text box will appear where you can input the main points you want to include. Once you've entered your ideas, click Generate. Claude AI will create a polished email draft for you, ready to be sent with just a few edits. Need inspiration for content ideas? Claude AI can help with that too. Click on the Claude icon and choose Generate Content Ideas. Provide a brief description of the topic you're interested in, and Claude AI will generate a list of creative ideas to kickstart your writing process. Additionally, Claude AI is a fantastic research assistant. If you have a question or need quick information, simply click the Claude icon and type your query in the search box. Claude AI will provide you with accurate answers and relevant resources in no time. By integrating Claude AI into your daily routine, you can focus on what truly matters and reclaim those precious hours. Imagine the possibilities when you can automate mundane tasks and enhance your productivity. Start using Claude AI today and watch your efficiency soar.